Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is having a good day. Today we are going to solve a Leetcode problem 2887 field missing data. So this is a Panda Python related coding question. So we are going to go through this problem and write our pandas query. So products data frame is given to us, right? It has three columns. Name is object, quantity is int, and price is int. Okay. Write solution to fill the missing value as 0 in the quantity column. The result format is in the following example. Okay. So this is one example. You can see that the quantity for a wristwatch and wireless earbuds both are none, right? So none. We don't want none there basically. We want 0. Whenever there is a none, we want to put a 0 there, right? So you will see that in the output you have a 0 here, right? So that's what we want to do basically by writing a panda query. Okay. So this is a good example where we can use fill na function, right? Fill na function of panda. So I'll directly show you the query because it's pretty straightforward. So here we can just we have this import pandas as pd, right? And fill missing values. So products pd dot data frame is given to us. So this is just a standard way you write down, right? So pd dot data frame. Now here you have to just return products dot fill na value is equal to, in this curly bracket, in double quotes, quantity 0. So it means that whenever you have a quantity as a none, it will be replaced with 0. Okay. So you can just use a fill na method here to replace a none value, right, with specified value. So whatever value you give here will be replaced. So here we want to replace with 0, so we are giving 0. Okay. So this is the query, guys. So let's give it a run and make sure this query is working correctly. So here you can see that we are getting 0 here, which is correct answer. Now we'll submit this query to the Leetcode and make sure this query is getting accepted. So the query got accepted. These numbers are not sure. These are changing constantly. So let's try to resubmit it one more time, guys, for you. So here now you can see that it's 79.08% faster than other submissions. So this is a pretty good query, right? So this is how you can solve this problem on Leetcode 2887 fill missing data. So the takeaway is that we have used the fill na method, right? So make sure you practice this kind of simple pandas query if you are planning to take Python pandas related interview. Okay. If you like this query solution, then please subscribe to our channel now. Also give it a like for this video. Click on the bell notification icon button so you won't miss any important interesting videos like this one from our channel. Here we create content and videos to help others learn more problem solving related to interviews as well as data structures and algorithmic paradigms. We have solved more than 600 different varieties of coding problems. These are very important problems asked by big companies including Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Apple, Meta, and a lot of big companies in the interviews. We came up with an important playlist for you that you should watch right away if you are planning to take interviews, right? So the important playlist that you can use is graphs, matrices, binary search trees, problems solved by using binary search, dynamic programming, recursion, memoization, how to use and apply BFS and DFS on graphs, matrices, and trees. The important data structures playlist includes stacks, queues, priority queues, min heap, max heap, arrays, array list, linked list. All these data structures are well covered here on this channel with real-time examples that are asked in interviews. So don't miss out on those important problems. They will definitely be helpful for you, and you can also help. They can also help you learn lots of new techniques of problem solving, Java programming, and coding. Share these videos with all your friends so they will also learn how to solve different interview questions. And thanks for watching this video and have a great day ahead.